Happy to see you, my dear students. I am your science teacher. In a previous class and previous chapter, we have learned it about the food. What is the food? What is the source of food? What is the ingredients of the food? And what is the material of the food? And food give us energy, growth, and repair of the damaged cells and keep us fit and healthy. Now we have learned it about the components of the food. What is the components of the food? What is the components of the food? Components of the food, that means the nutrients of the food. That means nutrients. Nutrients, what is the nutrients? Nutrients which is give us protection, which is provide us energy and give us protection and keep us healthy and fit. न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या है? न्यूट्रिएंट्स वह है जो कि हमें पोषक तत्व देते हैं. इट इज एलिमेंट्स विच इज एलिमेंट्स एंड मटीरियल्स विच इज गिव अस एनर्जी एंड प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द डिसीज एंड सेव अस लाइफ. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड. कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड मतलब जो हमें सुरक्षा प्रदान करते हैं, जो हमें स्वस्थ रखते हैं, जो हमें बीमारियों से बचाते हैं, वो ऐसे ही पोषक तत्व होते हैं. और पोषक तत्व को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूट्रिएंट्स. सो व्हाट इज द न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स? द न्यूट्रिएंट्स इज द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द फूड एंड दिस इज आवर चैप्टर नंबर 2. दिस इज आवर चैप्टर नंबर 2. इट इज द components of the food. This is the chapter number 2. This is the components of the food. What is the components of the food? Is the carbohydrate. It's the carbohydrate. Components of food. That means nutrients of the food, and nutrients of food is a carbohydrate and protein and fat, minerals, vitamins, and roughage. Water. There are all is nutrients of the food, that means components of the food. The food which is we have taken in our diet is include a variety of the components of the food. So carbohydrate, what is the carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is a energy giving food. For example, starch, sugar, potato and cereals. It is an example of the carbohydrate. What is the function of the carbohydrate? The function of carbohydrate is the give us energy. And protein is a body building food. Protein is a body building food. That means it is a build our body. So what is the example of the protein? Milk, egg and fish, meats, all are the example of beans, sprout, all are the example of the protein. The main source of the protein is the milk, and fat is the extra energy. Fat give us extra energy than carbohydrate. कार्बोहाइड्रेट से ज़्यादा मात्रा में हमें क्या देता है? एनर्जी देता है. इट इज़ अ high energy. What is the source of the fat? The source of fat is a oil, ghee, butter. It is a source of the fat. The source of fat are two types. First is the animal fat and second is the plant fat. And minerals protect us and help to functioning the body, जो कि हमें हेल्प करता है हमारी बॉडी को फंक्शनाइज करने में. एंड विटामिन्स इज द मेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स विच इज प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी फ्रॉम द डिसीज. and we take the vitamins in the little amount. And this is a roughage. Roughage is also called a dietaries fiber. Dietaries fiber. It is a help to the digestion. And water. Water is the main components of the food. Without water we can't live. So my dear students, it is the components of food. I have also attached one video which is help to understand components of the food. See you.
Food components and their role in body. Food provides us some essential materials which are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. These are called the nutrients. Various nutrients required for our body includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, dietary fibers, and water. Different kind of food is rich with different kind of nutrients. So, our diet must include mixture of food materials rich with all these nutrients. Let's have a brief understanding over the nutrients. Carbohydrates. These are energy-giving substances such as sugars and starch. Various kinds of sugars include sucrose, potable sugar, glucose, etc. Starches are obtained from food grains, peas, potato, corn, etc. Fats. These can produce higher amount of energy than carbohydrates. Basically, these are of two kinds, animal fats and vegetable oils. Animal fats include substances such as butter, ghee, lard, tallow, etc. Vegetable oils include substances produced from seeds such as soybeans, sunflower, corn, peanut, etc. Many times we use fats and oils interchangeably, but there is a difference between them. That is, at room temperature, fats are solid while oils are liquid. Proteins. Our body needs protein for growth and repair. There are many chemical substances in our body such as enzymes, hormones, etc. These are needed for carrying out various body processes. Proteins are important component in all these chemicals. These are also important for making bones, muscles, skin, cartilage, and blood. Good sources of proteins include milk, eggs, seafood, beans, etc. Vitamins. These are needed for the protection of our body from diseases. They also perform different functions in our body. Example, vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy eye, skin. Vitamin C helps to protect the body from diseases. Our body produces vitamin D with the help of sunlight. This vitamin helps the body to obtain calcium and similar minerals from the food. These are essential for the growth and maintenance of teeth and bones. Some sources of vitamins are milk, eggs, fish, sunlight, green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Minerals. These are required in small quantity but are very important for proper growth and maintenance of body. It helps in various body processes such as digestion, functioning of nervous system, etc. Many minerals are required for making body structures such as teeth, blood, bones, skin, hair, muscles, etc. Iron is an important part of our blood. It is obtained from green vegetables, lentils, beans, fruits like apple, watermelon, etc. Calcium is needed for bones and teeth. It is obtained from milk, eggs. Iodine is needed for making thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is needed for carrying out chemical processes in our body. Iodine is obtained from iodized salt, milk, ginger, leafy vegetables, fish, and other seafood. Dietary fibers. These are also called as roughage. It is not nutrient-giving food, but instead it helps in removal of waste material from the body. In this way, dietary fibers help the body to maintain digestive system healthy. These are obtained from food grains, pulses, fruits, and vegetables. Water. Water is necessary for obtaining nutrients from food. It is essential for maintaining temperature of our body. The excess temperature is released outside the body through sweat. It also helps to remove unwanted and harmful substances outside the body through sweat and urine. It also helps in conversion of food into energy. There are many sources from which water is obtained, such as drinking water, tea, coffee, soft drinks, cooked food, etc. So I hope you understood all the concepts in this video very well. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, log on to learnfatafat.com and get your favorite course the way you want.